Can you say booyah? Yes, you can. Nope, you can't hold it. Sorry. You want the screen to pick you up? Don't touch. Huh? I'm gonna tickle you since you're not talking. You don't want to talk, I'm gonna tickle you. Is that your belly? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Are you trying to turn the TV on? That's not the right button. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Say it. Bye. Tell him bye. Bye-bye.